Welcome to this gratitude meditation. Today, we will embark on a journey to cultivate a deeper sense of appreciation for the world around us and the experiences that shape our lives. Before we begin, find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, allowing your body to relax. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment. And now exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of any distractions or thoughts that are lingering in your mind. This time is for you. Now, allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm, inhaling and exhaling at your own pace. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded in this moment. As you breathe, bring your awareness to your body. Notice how it feels against the surface beneath you. Are there any areas of tension? If so, gently acknowledge them without judgment. With each exhale, imagine that you are breathing out that tension, allowing it to dissolve. Now, focus on your feet. Feel them connecting to the earth. Imagine roots growing from your feet, grounding you firmly. Move your awareness slowly up to your legs, your hips, and your abdomen. Feel the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe. Notice your chest and your shoulders. If you're holding tension there with your next breath, release it. Bring your awareness to your neck, your jaw, and finally to your head. Allow your forehead to soften. Now that you are more connected to your body, let's shift our focus to gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice, transforming our perspective on life. It invites us to notice the abundance that exists within and around us. Begin by thinking of something simple that you are grateful for. Perhaps a warm cup of tea, a kind word from a friend, or the sunlight streaming through your window. Allow this feeling of gratitude to fill your heart and picture it as a warm light, expanding within you. As you breathe in, invite this warm light deeper into your being. And as you exhale, imagine it radiating outward, touching the space around you. Let this feeling grow. With each breath, feel it expanding, filling your body, your mind, and the space around you. Now, think of someone in your life who brings you joy or support. It could be a family member, a friend, or even a mentor. Picture their face in your mind. Reflect on the qualities you admire in them. What have they done that has touched your heart? Feel the gratitude rising within you for this person. Let it overflow, reaching out to them, wrapping them in your appreciation. Visualize sending this feeling of gratitude to them, knowing it will reach them wherever they are. Now, let's broaden our focus. Think of a meaningful experience in your life, perhaps a challenge you overcame, a lesson learned, or a moment of joy. What did this experience teach you? How did it shape who you are today? As you reflect, allow gratitude to wash over you for this experience. Visualize it as a wave, gently caressing the shores of your mind. Let it remind you that every experience contributes to your growth, your resilience, and your wisdom. Next, let's connect with the beauty of nature. Think of a place in nature that brings you peace, perhaps a forest, a beach, or a mountaintop. Visualize this place in your mind. What do you see? What do you hear? Allow the feeling of gratitude for this natural beauty to envelop you. Nature has a way of grounding us, reminding us of the cycles of life and the interconnectedness of all beings. As you breathe in, imagine inhaling the essence of this place, its colors, its sounds, its life. With each exhale, release your appreciation back into the world. Take a moment to bring all of this gratitude together. Picture it as a bright light within you, a radiant energy that reflects all the things you've appreciated today: yourself, others, experiences, nature, and the present moment. With your next few breaths, feel this energy expanding further and further, encompassing your entire being. Now, as you begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you, start to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of gratitude with you into your day. Remember that gratitude is a practice, and it can be accessed at any moment. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you and let it guide your thoughts and actions.